Find the value of 18 cube plus 7 cube plus 3 into 18 into 7 into 25 by 3 power 6 plus 6 into 243 into 2 plus 15 into 81 into 4 plus 20 into 27 into 8 plus 15 into 9 into 16 plus 6 into 3 into 32 plus 64. Now numerator is 18 cube plus 7 cube plus 3 into 18 into 7 into 25. Write numerator as 18 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 3 into 18 into 7 into 18 plus 7. 25 can be written as 18 plus 7. Now compare this expression with a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is a plus b whole cube. Then numerator is 18 plus 7 whole cube, which is equal to 25 whole cube. So numerator value is 25 whole cube. Now coming to the denominator, 3 power 6 plus 6 into 243 into 2 plus 15 into 81 into 4 plus 20 into 27 into 8 plus 15 into 9 into 16 plus 6 into 3 into 32 plus 64. Then write it as 3 to the power of 6 plus, and it can be written as 6c1. 6 can be written as 6c1 into 3 to the power of 5 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 15 can be written as 6c2 into 81 is 3 to the power of 4 into 4 is 2 square plus 20 can be written as 6c3 into 3 to the power of 3, 27 is 3 power 3 into 8 is 2 cube plus 15 can be written as 6c4 into 9 is 3 square into 16 is 2 to the power of 4 plus 6 can be written as 6c5 into 3 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6. Now compare this denominator with x plus y whole to the power of n. X plus y whole to the power of n is nc0 into x power n into y power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into y square plus so on. Last term is ncn x to the power of 0 into y to the power of n. So x plus y whole to the power of n expansion is this. And 3 power 6 plus 6c1 into 3 power 5 into 2 power 1 plus 6c2 into 3 power 4 into 2 square plus 6c3 into 3 cube into 2 cube plus 6c4 into 3 square into 2 power 4 plus 6c5 into 3 power 1 into 2 power 5 plus last term is 2 to the power of 6. This is expansion of 3 plus 2 whole to the power of 6, which is equal to 5 to the power of 6. We calculated already numerator value. Numerator is 18 plus 7 whole cube. 18 plus 7 is nothing but 25 whole cube numerator value. By denominator is 5 to the power of 6. Now 25 can be written as 5 square whole cube. By denominator is 5 to the power of 6. Numerator is a power m whole to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m into n. Apply that formula to numerator. We get numerator is 5 to the power of 6. By denominator is also 5 to the power of 6. then this value is equal to 1. Thank you very much.